How can it be that abberior microscopes are always 100% aligned? For the Steadicon, you don't have to worry about alignment because of two ingredients. The first one is the fact that all the beams, excitation and STED beams, they are fed through a common optical fiber. And that means that the fiber end is like a point source, a common source for all the beams. And that means they can never move with respect to each other. Now, if you have a common source for all the beams, it means that we need a way to selectively turn the STED beam into a donut. That's exactly the second ingredient. It's a special phase mask that takes the STED wavelength and makes a donut out of it and leaves the excitation beams alone. Those two ingredients, we call them EasySTED, and EasySTED makes for a super compact microscope that is super stable. Then you don't have to worry about alignment on the expert microscopes, because there every beam gets a motorized mirror. So all the excitation beams get a motorized mirror, all the STED beams get a motorized mirror, even the pinhole gets a motorized mirror. So when you hit the alignment button, a series of test images are taken, and from that the system determines misalignment and then puts every beam back into its place. And it even looks at the shape of the STED point spread functions to make for perfect intensity zeros and crystal clear STED imaging. So essentially, each time you hit the alignment button on a microscope, it's like getting a personal service visit.